Today I am going to talk to you about the topic total expenditure method to measure elasticity of demand. There are three cases. Number one, when elasticity is equal to 1. With the rise in the price or fall in the price, uh, falls and rises, and total outlay remains the same. With the rise in the price, quantity falls and total outlay also falls. This is the case of elasticity greater than 1. When price falls and total outlay increases, that is also the case of elasticity greater than 1. In the case of price fall, fall in the price and rise in the total outlay, elasticity is less than 1. When price falls and total outlay also falls, it means elasticity is less than 1. Thus, there are three cases: equal to unity, greater than unity, and less than unity. Equal to unity. In the case of equal to unity, when total expenditure remains the same despite an increase or decrease in the price of the commodity. Greater than unity, when total outlay increases with a decrease in price and vice versa. Less than unity, when total outlay increases with the increase in price and decrease with the decrease in price. Flux proportionate method. In the flux proportionate method, price elasticity of demand is equal to proportionate change in the quantity demanded over proportionate change in price.